Yes, I am collaborating again with one of my favorite lighting companies, Parrotuncle. Let me tell you a little bit about them. Parrotuncle has been in business for nearly 10 years. They are strongly and quickly growing as a pioneer brand in the global field of lighting and ceiling fans. Driven by high-quality design and through continuous innovation, they have designed and manufactured a number of trending products that sell well worldwide. For the convenience to get you to blend into the diversified living space and bring inspiration for your home decoration, they uphold innovative, artistic, and smart as their design dimensions and create a unique product style in the field of home furnishings. With extremely exquisite product craftsmanship, they bring artistic enjoyment to your life. After viewing their entire website, I found that they also offer faucets, guys. And look at this stunning one right here. This is beautiful. And I am about to do a refresh in one of my bathrooms. So, oh my goodness. But guys, this is the light fixture that we are installing in my son's dining room. They're very easy to assemble and install. Now, the name of this fixture or chandelier is a 4-light gray wooden drum chandelier. Now, this 4-light chandelier is made of distressed wood and durable metal in a gold finish. Now, looking at my son's ceiling, this plate is not centered over his table. So we're going to sway the chain over with a hook to center the chandelier over his table. Now, each wooden piece must be attached to the gold bracket. The gray curved wooden boards form a drum shape. Hubby and I had a process going. I unwrapped and unscrewed each plank and handed it to him so he can apply it to the frame. last wooden piece. Now let's affix the lighting bracket, and then it will be ready to install. Now this is the down rod to the chandelier. This is beautiful, and we will feed the wire through this down rod. The wire from the chandelier will be connected to the wire in the ceiling. All wires have been connected, and guys, it works. Hubby is going to put the cap on the ceiling, and like I said, we're going to sway the chain, and we are done installing this beautiful, beautiful chandelier. The great planks complement the gold medal and brings a visual enjoyment to the eye. It adds a unique atmosphere to my son's home. It is perfect for his dining room, but if you purchase this chandelier, you can place it in your living room, bedroom, and any space that you love. Thank you so much, Parrotuncle, for the opportunity to share with my blessed family this beautiful chandelier. I will have Parrotuncle's information listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for all of my blessed family.